students. Hope you all are safe at your home and taking care yourself. Welcome to 10th standard 2020-21 batch. We'll start our syllabus with the first lesson of Maths 1, linear equations in two variables. Students, I wrote here some equations. From this equation, let's we understand the definition of linear equations. In first equation, the first equation is 5x plus 3y equal to 7. In this equation, there are two different variables x and y, and the power of the variable is 1. That's why this equation is called as linear equation in two variables. Students, here you can see the second equation, 2x square plus 5y is equal to 8. Now in this equation also you can see there are two different variables, but here the power of variable x is 2. That's why this equation is not a linear equation. Third equation, 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 11. Now these variables are in the denominator of these terms. If you take it in the numerator, according to laws of indices, it has the power -1. So these equations are also not linear equations. Now fourth equation, 3x plus 2y equal to 16. Now in this equation, again we have two different variables, x and y, and the power of the variable is 1. So these equations are linear equations in two variables. Students, I hope you understood the definition of linear equation in two variables. So we go forward. We will start the solution of these equations. Now students, in 9th standard you already studied how to solve the linear equations in two variables. There are two different methods. First is elimination by equating coefficient method, and the second one is elimination by substitution method. So students, one example we will see how to solve the equation using elimination by equating coefficient. So the equation is 5x minus 3y equal to 8 and 3x plus y equal to 2. Students, first we will give the number for equation. This is our first equation and this is second equation. So using elimination by equating coefficient, we require the coefficient of variables equal. So let's try to eliminate variable 1. In first equation, it had the coefficient -2, and in second equation it had coefficient 1. So to equate the coefficient, this second equation we have to multiply by 3. Then only here we will get the coefficient 3. So we will write the order multiplying equation 2 by 3. So each term from this equation we will multiply by 3. The first term is 3x. So 3 multiplied by 3x plus 3 multiplied by y equal to 3 multiplied by 2. So we will get the new equation, 3 3s are 9x plus 3y equal to 3 2s are 6. This is our new equation number 3. Now to eliminate the variable y, we will use equation number 1 and equation number 3. Now observe the sign of these terms. In first equation it had negative sign and in second equation it had positive sign. So when there are opposite signs, then we have to add the equations to eliminate the variable. So we will write the order: adding equation 1 and equation 3. So write the first equation: 5x minus 3y equal to 8 plus, write third equation, 9x plus 3y equal to 6. Now to add this equation we will use the addition of algebraic expressions method. We have to add the coefficients. Now 5x plus 9x is equal to 14x. Negative 3y plus 3y. These terms get cancelled. We will get the answer 0. Equal to 8 plus 6, 14. Now to get the value of this x, we take this 14 on right hand side, so it gets divided. Therefore, x is equal to 14 divided by 14. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Here we got the value of one variable x. Now to get the value of second variable, we will substitute the value of x equal to 1 either in first equation or in second equation. Okay. Now I think second equation is easy to solve. So we will substitute this value in second equation. Substituting x equal to 1 in equation 2. So first write second equation: dx plus y equal to 2. So here first term is 3x, means 3 multiplied by x, and x is equal to 1. Therefore we will get the next step: 3 multiplied by 1 plus y equal to 2. Therefore 3 ones are 3 plus y equal to 2. Now to get the value of variable y, this 3 we will take on right hand side. So this positive 3 will become negative 3. Therefore y is equal to 2 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to minus 1. So here we got the value of second variable. Now we have to write the answer. Student, the answer is important. Make habit to write the answer of each equation. So we will write the answer. Therefore x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1 is the solution. Or you can write this way also: bracket x comma y equal to bracket, the value of x is 1 comma value of y is minus 1 is the solution. So students, you can use any one method to write the answer. So this way we solve the equation using the method elimination by equating coefficient. Understood?